Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Got another video here for you to fix. Image is not opening on Windows 11. This also works on Windows 10, and you'll get an error message every time you click on an image to open it on your operating system. So let me go ahead and quickly show you this error so you can see what it's actually doing here. Then you can use the same procedure to fix this issue that you're having with opening images on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what we're going to start. And when we click on, and settings click on, after that, click the apps on the left side. Now click on Installed Apps. After that, type Photos in the search bar. Right now, it is displaying an image, the one labeled Photos. On the right-hand side, there are 3 dots. Please click there. Now, as you can see, there is an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on it. Mouse scroll down, you will see an option labeled Reset and Repair. Click on Repair. There is a good chance it will automatically fix the underlying problem. Now, if this issue is not resolved, we can proceed to the next option. So go back down to the bottom here. What we need to do is go to our search bar, and we're going to type in our search bar CMD to open up a command prompt. So type CMD in here and then run this as administrator on the right. You should see Run as Administrator. And this should open up a little command prompt box here. Now we need to type in here SFC /scan. Now this is one of the few occasions the SFC /scanner actually fixes something and does what it's supposed to do. It finds corrupt Windows files on your system and then fixes them. So you need to leave this and let it run. It does take a bit of time, so be patient and let it run through its scan. It's going to go ahead and verify all files on your system. And it does take a bit of time. But I'll speed this process up and then we'll get to the end so you can see what happens. You should see here Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. And that's what you're going to see here. So once you see this, you know that the issue has been resolved. And you can then close off the command prompt box here. Then we need to do here is you need to go to your images. Now if you click on these, they won't be working. Still, because we need to restart the PC. Or we can restart Explorer. So let's go ahead and go down to our start. Right-click Go Task Manager here. And what we need to do is look for Windows Explorer. We could right-click on this and restart Windows Explorer. So click on Restart Windows Explorer and let that restart. It will start up on its own. Or you can restart the PC, whatever suits you. And then once we've done this, we can close off the Task Manager here. And then we can go back and test our images to make sure they're working. Okay, so let's go back to our File Explorer here, and we can test our images. So I'm going to go back into Pictures, and we can then check our pictures. And you can see now these pictures are opening up perfectly fine. So that's just a quick fix for the issue where you can't open up images on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So I hope this has been some sort of used. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please give this video a like. Thank you, goodbye. See you in the next video.